Wow! I really like my plastic surgery look. I look awesome. I look like my 2008 self.
Oh yeah, well, my plastic surgery is better than yours.
Dude, you're in your shorts and I'm in my dark white look, so, my look is better.
Why are your horns messed up?
Why not? It's my look from Monster Jam Toronto 2008 after my crash.
I think your crash is horrible.
Shut up! My crash was great. And that donut was a little messed up, so you don't have to argue about it.
What the fuckity fuck did you just say?
I said you don't have to argue about it. And for starting it, you are grounded for 155,951,615,900 years. Go to your room now.
Wah.